Hi, I'm Brian Wickland with Garfinkel Schwartz. I'm coming to you from our Titusville, Florida office on the Space Coast of Florida. We also have offices in Maitland, Florida, which is a suburb of Orlando, but we also travel all across the country helping people that are civilian contractors and longshoremen across the country. I'm coming to you today to discuss with you the ammunition that the insurance companies have when you're involved in a claim of injury under the Defense-Based Act or the Longshore Act. The weapons that they employ without your knowledge are several and very powerful things that they use to try to deny your claim or to cut off your benefits as soon as they possibly can. Number one is they establish peer reviews. A peer review is giving your medical information to a doctor that they hire to review to determine whether or not you should be getting the benefits that your treating physicians are asking for you to get. And those peer reviews are obviously bought and paid for. The doctor that does the peer review for the insurance company never sees you, interviews you, or talks to you, and you have no idea that they're actually working and analyzing your medical records. They have the right to do that, and they use that against you to cut you off. Another type of situation that they have is they do labor market surveys on you without your knowledge. They try to find jobs based on what they think you're capable of doing so that they can reduce your earning capacity benefits. And they use federal computers, they use the Department of Labor, and they find jobs in your area that they think you're qualified to do. Now the problem is, they don't have to prove to the judge that you actually will get the job and you should take the job and you're not taking it. All they have to prove to the judge is that you're physically able to do this job and you're technically capable through your education and experience to do the job. And what do? Do they tell you this? Do they explain it to you? Do they say, hey, why don't you go apply for these jobs? We're here to help you? No, they don't do that. All of a sudden you get your check that's supposed to be for $1,200 a week. There's all of a sudden $600 a week with no explanation, using their weapons their silent weapons they have against you. And what do you have to say about that? Well, you hire a lawyer. Hopefully you already have a lawyer. You get the lawyer and you have to go through a formal hearing process to finally have them give you and show you why they're reducing your benefits and where these jobs come from and where these peer reviews came from to make their unilateral decision to start cutting your benefits or cutting your medical benefits off. And it's unfair. That's the playing field that we have to play in. And if you don't have a lawyer when you're dealing with things like this, you better really rethink what you're doing with your life. And if you don't hire me, please hire a lawyer and make sure you vet out that lawyer and they understand and know these federal laws, because these laws are very, very uncommon. Even to most of my lawyer friends, they have no idea what I do for a living. They've never heard of it. So please, get help somewhere. Hopefully you'll call me and have trust in me. And I just urge you to understand the weapons that are being used against you probably as we speak. And if they're not doing it now, they certainly will later, because they don't want to be paying you for years and years and years, I'll tell you that. And those are the weapons they have. They have other weapons that can be combated as well. But please don't go it alone. It's too complicated for you to worry about on your own to try to defeat these types of unilateral decisions that are made by insurance companies that hurt you and your family. Again, thank you very much. I'm Brian Wickland with Garfinkel Schwartz, signing off today from the Titusville, Florida office. I hope to hear from you soon, and thank you for your time.